Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I actually have a fun video for you guys today. I'm going to show you how to cut out an image and add a white outline with Picmonkey. Now, this is really great to make your profile that you use on Etsy, on maybe you have a YouTube channel, or even social media like Instagram, stand out and get noticed in the feed. So if you want to learn how to outline a picture and make it stand out, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now let's head over to my computer and I will show you how simple it is to do so. So here we are on Picmonkey, and this is a great tool for anyone out there that already uses Canva but wants to try something different. Now keep in mind, I actually have both Picmonkey and Canva now. The reason why is because I could do certain things with Picmonkey that Canva doesn't offer. And then there's certain features I could use with Canva that Picmonkey doesn't offer. So that's the reason why I have actually both. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing a picture with a solid color in the back. And we're going to take your profile picture and add a white line. And the reason why you might want to do this for your social media accounts and for like your Facebook, your Etsy shop, your YouTube channel is that you could stand out in the feed. And I have it across all my social media platforms. This is actually my son's account that I created today. And I did his, as you can see, is really cute. It stands out. And if somebody was like browsing through the search feed, they would most likely click on his photo because it's going to stand out with the blue background and with the white outline. So I'm going to teach you how to do this exact method for your profile picture. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you want to make sure that you do is optimize the photo for the platform that you're creating this picture for. So keep in mind that an Etsy photo is a lot smaller than your Facebook profile picture. But once you know the size, you just create the size. So I'm going to do an Instagram for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to create a blank one and I'm going to select 1080 by 1080. That's the size, the standard size for a Pinterest, for Instagram. Once you have the template, you're going to upload the picture that you want to work with, like your profile picture. So I'm going to upload his photos right here. So this is his photo. This is the one that I did earlier today. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to remove the background. So once you upload it, you click here, remove background. If for some reason this doesn't auto-populate for you, click on layers down here and then it will show up for you. So go ahead and click on remove background. It does it automatically for you. You see how fast that was? I didn't have to do anything. This is a lot easier for me than using Photoshop. I love Photoshop. I have Photoshop as well. But with Photoshop, it's very tedious. It's so hard to do, in my opinion. Other people do it and they do it so easy. But I love to do it with Picmonkey. It's very simple. Now, the only thing that came up is this right here, which is the little bouncy that he was sitting on. And I want to delete that. So if you have a picture, you delete the background and it's still showing something that you want to delete. All you will need to do is go here. It says erase. And this is the size of the brush. You can make it bigger or smaller depending on the area you're working with. I'm going to leave it in this size and I'm just going to carefully remove this right here. So I'm removing this as you guys can see. So try to be as careful as possible. If for whatever reason you go over the picture and you cut off more than you intended to, you could click on this one here and it will add it back. So you don't have to worry about messing up if you do. You could fix it anyways. So you'll be able to fix it. So I'm going to get as close as I can to his sweater here. As you guys can see, it doesn't seem too hard, right? So far, not too hard at all. And this is a great way to stand out in the feed. Ultimately, what you want is people to take notice of you. And if you have like a regular picture, it really doesn't help unless you have like a professional picture. But this is the quickest way that you could take a picture of yourself with your iPhone and make it look more professional without having like the background distraction. So I think I'm pretty happy. I'm happy with that anyways, because I'm going to make the background blue. So I'm good with that. The next step is creating the outline. The outline just makes it pop a little bit more. So I do recommend adding it. You could play with it. I have some pictures that I didn't add the outline, and I have some that I did. Now, if you have a really nice photo, the outline will look good. If you have like an old photo like mine's that I did that like a long time ago, for some reason, the resolution of that photo is not the best. So when I created the white outline, it didn't look that good. But if you have a good photo like this, then you should be okay adding the white line. So all you have to do once you're done here and you want to create the white outline, you click on Effects, you click on Outline, and you would change this to white. And now you have the white outline. Even though you can't see it, once we change the background, you'll be able to see it. The thickness, I always keep it to 18. And intensity, I do 85. You could play with this and make it as thick as you like. And you could change the thickness as thick as you like as well, or the intensity low or as high as you want. This is kind of like the number that I like. Once you're done here, you're going to click on background color layer, and then I'm going to change the color of my background. Now this is the color I was working on him. This is the blue. But you see how cool that is? Oh, it's this one actually, the one that he has. But you see how easy that was? And you could do any color you want, as you could see. You could play here. What I recommend, maybe doing the colors of your brand for branding purposes. So choosing what colors you're going to stick with your brand. His colors are going to be this color, so that's why I picked that color. But you see how cool that was? It's so simple to do. Once you're ready, you could do smart size, which is it'll size it for you for different platforms. But you know, in case you want to just share the photo just for fun. But if not, if you're happy with the results, all you have to do pretty much is just download the image as a JPEG, leave it high, and then just download it. And then this will be your final image. And look at how cool that looks. And it looks way better than me putting the original photo. But this is a really good technique that you guys could start using to make your Etsy profile just pop and then get more people to actually see your account, as well as use it for your social media platform. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If you would like more videos like this, leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and show me some love by liking this video. Thank you guys for watching.